Hello, well, welcome to Riding Market. I'm here for my daily summary today. I'm working with a new $50,000 eval. I'm trying to get it funded now. The 150,000 eval is now dead. I didn't want to update. I didn't want to turn it into a master account, so I did a little 20 trade test from Trading in the Zone from Mark Douglas. There's a book on trading psychology. Has an exercise on it. Has an exercise where you do 20 trades using your strategy and see what the results would be, and see if you have an edge. See if you can if you can use your strategy without too many deviations or any deviations. For me, I had quite a few deviations, but my strategy is a lot more discretionary than a lot of other folks. It's not a mechanical strategy, so I was always going to have a bit of a difference between my strategy and me. I'm not that good with my strategy, even though I've created it. It's because of this discretion involved, and the benefits of hindsight when you're back testing. I'm not never going to be able to run it as well as I would have, as well as like a computer could run it or whatever. So I had good results, not great results. I definitely made profit. It was good profit. It was around $2,000 using one mini, using my strategy. So that's not bad. But it was less than what my strategy called for, which was around 5,000. So I'm making around half of what I should, um, on average. So that's just something to work on. But the fact that I'm making money, the fact that my win rate's over 50%, it's around 65%, a bit higher perhaps, but all of those are positive. So I'm very happy to go forward and try to get one Bullinex account to funded, then go from there, get a payout, and then scale up from there. That's how I'm going to be doing things. So on to the actual summary itself. My first trade on the day in the London session was we'd formed this little consolidation block there. We broke up out of it. I noted that we were looking to do that, and we should go higher from there in my live stream. But it was slightly like so. I take the trade from from 4 a.m. onwards. So I missed that entry. It pushed up a bit more, and I couldn't get in around my entry level, so left it. Or yeah, so I left that anyway. I don't think that's not part of my strategy anyway. So I don't think I would have taken it. It's just something that I noted. Um, Maybe if I was feeling off or something, I would have taken it, but I didn't actually take it, and I had no interest in taking it in the live stream. But eventually, we inverted this fair value gap, formed an inverted fair value gap there. Now, I was a bit uncertain about this. I was expecting us to come down and sweep these lows at least before we had a reversal, but when we held here above the IFEG once and then twice, I entered upon the close of the candle. I was a bit late, so my entry was a bit crap. But my stop was below this low, and then just held it for a one-to-one in this bearish fair value gap. So that was a nice trade to start off. Then the afternoon session, this trade was fairly difficult to see when I first got on, but essentially we pushed up in this big candle, and for me after that point there was no entries in this whole zone because I don't know, we didn't form structure as I wanted to what it price to. So eventually we came up, and once we closed above this high, I had the idea. So after this candle, I had the idea that we would come back to this level, that we broke out of, use it as support, and then push higher. So that's where I put my entry. After we pushed up this high, I thought, okay, we're probably not going to get back to this level. But eventually we'd had this big candle, came all the way to my entry. My entry was actually here, or it was supposed to be, but there was some sort of glitch with NinjaTrader. So I actually got entered here. And yeah, I was really confused at that point. So I wasn't able to move my stop loss or my take profit at that point. Because I didn't really know what was going on, but it hit my full take profit, so that was nice. It wouldn't have hit my stop loss anyway, and then pushed up a bit more, and then yeah, eventually came down to the lows. So this is my final trade of the day, and this is where I made my actual mistake, because I don't know why I took this trade. So yeah, essentially price had come down, sorry, and swept this low, and then formed this rejection candle here. That should have been my entry long. I missed it because I was just a bit uncertain about it, so pushed up. And then from here, so after this candle closed, I thought of it as like a double top, but like, that's not a... You can't have a double top at the lows. I don't know what was going on in my head. But yeah, I took the sell and then got stuck out soon after. If I were to think of, like, if say I had missed that trade, and then I wanted another trade after that. So this actually looks like a good opportunity. This sell here, it's a bit of a dangerous one. But what we're doing is essentially we've come back into this double FVG and rejected out of there nicely. So maybe I would have given it a 100 tick stop. So maybe an entry, what's that, 990. So entry around this level, and I'll just show it in. So this is essentially what I'd be looking at. Something like that. I don't know the exact numbers because yeah, NinjaTrader doesn't make it easier. It doesn't make it easy, but it looks something like this. Yeah, this is around 25 points there. So yeah, that's essentially the trade that I'd be looking at there. So price came down, rejected the double FVG, pullback for the 100 tick entry, and then go lower. Maybe if I wasn't feeling the 100 ticks because it's too far, maybe it would be 125 ticks, something like that, and push down lower. But yeah, that's probably what I should have waited for if I wasn't certain about this trade and I was going to miss it regardless. That's probably what I should have done. Yeah, it's not what I did, so can't really talk about it now, but in the future I'll remember to trust my initial moves and then not go against those moves, essentially. So this was a move long I should have taken. I really shouldn't be taking a short like 2 candles later if that's the real move that I should have taken. You should wait for it to play out before taking that direction, of the opposite direction trade, or either let it form a new low and then you can look for something to the downside. But yeah, annoying trade to end the day, but all in all, it was a positive day I made. So this is the total number that I made without commissions, fees, but overall I made $215 on the day. So it will probably take, if I go at this rate, it will take around 3 odd weeks to pass this eval. I'm hoping my trading can improve to the point where maybe it takes a bit less than that, but we'll see how long it takes. And then once I have the information about how long it might take me, I might have some information about then how long it would take to get to payout and stuff like that. And maybe I need to decrease risk. Maybe if I don't pass, then I need to improve a little bit more before taking another eval, or I should just keep working with evals rather than moving to my funded accounts, because I've got funded accounts with Apex. But yeah, so right now I'm just testing stuff and trying to improve and trying to get this account funded, and then to pay out. And we'll see how long that takes. If it, yeah. But yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll be back tomorrow with some more trading. Anyway, see you.